Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this Apple Magic Keyboard. So let's unbox it and see exactly what comes in the box. Okay, so let's open it up. Oh yeah, it's backwards, so be careful. If you open it upside down sometimes, it could fall out. But there's the keyboard. All right, okay, so we do get a cable that comes in the box. It's a USB-C to Lightning, so this charges with Lightning. So there is a piece of plastic on it. Let's take the plastic off. Okay, so here is the Magic Keyboard. Now you are going to have to charge it when you first get it. There's the charging port. Now this does have a battery built into it. Once you get it charged, you don't have to have the cable plugged in all the time. It does not come with a wall charger, so you're going to need an output USB-C from a wall charger, and then you're going to have to plug this into here to charge it. Now you can plug this in either way. Lightning cables can go either upside down or down. There's really no way. But this other end is USB-C, and that's what goes into the charger. Now there's no feet that come out. There's just these little grippy pads. It is angled a little bit. Here's what the keys sound like. It feels nice. They're kind of slick, but yet kind of grippy a little bit. Let's do some measuring real quick. All right, so it's exactly 11 inches that way. 4.5, wow, I like when it's exact. 4.5 inches that way. You know, thickness-wise, at the very thickest point, it's about 3/4 or 3/8, and that's about 1/8. Now there is a power switch right here. So once you get it all charged up, you're going to have to turn it on. There's a little green symbol to let you know that it's on. Now this will connect with Bluetooth to I'm going to use it with an iPad or a Mac Mini. It's got the nice logo here. It's very, very lightweight. But again, it's got those little feet on there that it does grip a little bit. So I hope my video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.